All right, so here's the situation. Apple just dropped the iPhone 17 Pro and Google countered with the Pixel 10 Pro. Both phones are absolute beasts in their own right, packed with features that make last year's models look like toys. One's all about raw speed, pro-level video, and that classic Apple polish, while the other is loaded with AI tricks, amazing zoom photography, and a design that's easy to love. Today we're going to see which one really deserves your money and which one fits your style. Let's start with design, because that's the first thing anyone notices. Apple has gone for a sleek aerospace-grade aluminum unibody on the iPhone 17 Pro, ditching titanium this year, but adding a built-in vapor chamber for better cooling. It feels solid, refined, and engineered to last, with Apple's new Ceramic Shield 2 glass promising 3 times better scratch resistance. Over on Google's side, the Pixel 10 Pro looks instantly familiar if you've seen a Pixel in the past few years. Flat sides, that distinctive horizontal camera bar, and a compact 6.3-inch body that feels very comfortable in one hand. While it might not look revolutionary, the Pixel nails practicality, with a premium finish and an understated elegance that Google fans love. If you want a phone that screams futuristic luxury, Apple has the edge. If you prefer something compact and approachable, the Pixel is a winner. Now, displays. Apple has pushed brightness on the iPhone 17 Pro to a wild 3,000 nits outdoors, which is perfect if you spend a lot of time under the sun. It's a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED with ProMotion 120Hz, HDR, and an anti-reflective coating that makes it ridiculously easy to read, even in tough lighting. The Pixel 10 Pro matches Apple on refresh rate with its 120Hz LTPO OLED panel, but actually edges ahead slightly with peak brightness reported around 3,300 nits. That makes both of these phones top tier for media, gaming, and everyday scrolling, though the Pixel might be just a bit brighter. Performance is where things get spicy. The iPhone 17 Pro runs on Apple's new A19 Pro chip built on a 3nm processor paired with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM. It's around 40% faster than last year's A18, and with a 16-core neural engine, it's built to handle Apple Intelligence and all the AI-driven features that are starting to define the iOS ecosystem. Google, on the other hand, is betting on its in-house Tensor G5 chip, also built on 3nm. It's not quite as raw power heavy as Apple's silicon, but it's deeply integrated with Google AI tools like Magic Q and ProRes Zoom. Plus, with up to 16GB of RAM, the Pixel has the headroom to multitask like a champ. If your priority is raw gaming performance and future-proofed horsepower, the iPhone edges ahead. If you care more about smart, AI-driven workflows that actually make your daily phone experience smoother, the Pixel brings a compelling argument. Of course, no flagship battle is complete without cameras, and this is where both companies went all in. Apple has finally upgraded all 3 rear cameras to 48 megapixels, including the main, ultra-wide, and a new telephoto lens that goes up to 4x and even 8x optical zoom, with digital zoom topping out at 40x. The results? Cleaner detail, sharper low-light shots, and more flexibility for both everyday photography and pro-level video capture. On the Pixel 10 Pro, you get a triple lens system too, 50 megapixel main, 48 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 48 megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom. But this is where Google's AI magic comes in. Thanks to ProRes Zoom, you can stretch that up to 100x digital zoom with results that actually look surprisingly close to optical quality. Add in Google's legendary computational photography and a 42 megapixel front camera, and you've got a phone that can make even amateur photographers feel like pros. Apple is still king when it comes to consistent video performance with ProRes RAW and advanced grading options. But for sheer zoom versatility and still photography, the Pixel arguably has the upper hand. Battery life has been a big talking point this year, and both companies came prepared. The iPhone 17 Pro packs a roughly 4,252 mAh battery, while the Pro Max stretches past 5,000 mAh. Apple claims up to 33 hours of video playback, and thanks to its 40-watt USB-C fast charging, you can hit 50% in just 20 minutes. Wireless charging goes up to 25 watts on MagSafe and Qi 2. Google's Pixel 10 Pro is rated for a full 24+ hours in normal use, and most reviewers report 4.5 to 5.5 hours of screen-on time per charge. Wire charging isn't quite as fast as Apple's, with a 30-watt charger giving you 55% in 30 minutes, but the Pro XL variant does better at 45 watts. Wireless charging is a bit more flexible though, with Qi 2 magnetic support, up to 15 watts on the Pro and 25 watts on the Pro XL. In practice, both phones will comfortably last a full day, but Apple gets the edge for faster top-ups, while Google gets bonus points for pushing a broader ecosystem of magnetic accessories with Key 2. When it comes to software, the philosophies couldn't be more different. iOS 18.5 on the iPhone 17 Pro integrates tightly with Apple Intelligence, delivering AI-powered text suggestions, photo editing, and even smarter Siri. Apple promises a seamless experience with smooth animations, robust security, and a polished app ecosystem. Meanwhile, the Pixel 7 Pro ships with Android 16, loaded with AI tricks like Magic Q for contextual help, Gemini Nano running on device for faster responses, and those smart photo and video editing tools that have become a Pixel trademark. The Pixel also promises 7 years of updates, putting it right on par with Apple for long-term support. Choosing between them comes down to ecosystem. Are you more tied to iCloud, AirDrop, and Apple Watch, or do you prefer Google services, AI tools, and the flexibility of Android? Connectivity is another area where these two push boundaries. The iPhone 17 Pro brings Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, Thread, and Apple's new N1 networking chip, designed to make AirDrop faster and more reliable. Google's Pixel 10 Pro also supports Wi-Fi 7 and comes with full Key 2 wireless standards, making it future-ready for smart accessories. Both phones have gone all in on eSIM in most markets, which could be a pro or con depending on whether you travel a lot and rely on physical SIMs. And finally, there's price. Apple starts the iPhone 17 Pro at $1,099 with 256 gigabytes of storage, scaling all the way up to 1 terabyte. The Pixel 10 Pro undercuts that slightly, starting at $999 for 128 gigabytes, with the Pro XL priced at $1,199 for 256 gigabytes. That means you're paying a little more for Apple's entry point, but you're also getting double the base storage. Both phones have premium pricing, but if you're counting every dollar, Google gives you a slightly more affordable option. So, where does that leave us? The iPhone 17 Pro is the phone for you if you want the absolute fastest performance, unmatched video recording tools, blazing bright display, and a premium design that feels futuristic in your hand. It's also the best choice if you're already locked into Apple's ecosystem of Macs, iPads, and AirPods. On the flip side, the Pixel 10 Pro makes a strong case for itself if you want smarter AI tools, better zoom photography, a compact but comfortable size, and a phone that integrates seamlessly with Google services. It may not be a radical leap over the Pixel 9 Pro, but it's polished, refined, and one of the best Android experiences you can buy today.